Hello guys, welcome to TechNiv tutorials, and I'm going to show you how to make your computer a lot faster than usual. Okay, if your computer is like really lagging, that's because you probably have a lot of programs right here. And if you're getting lag, you should probably try uninstalling like programs you're not really using. And today I'm going to show you how to do that, and like other cleaning programs like that. Okay, my first suggestion you should do is if you're on Windows 7, you should do this. Click this and you should type in run. And once you type in run, you can search the percent sign temp percent sign again and open that. Once you open that, you have all these temporary files at your computer, and it like takes up space and you don't need it. So it slows down your computer. What you want to do is hit Control A and it'll select everything, and you want to do is just delete all of them. And it's safe to delete these because these are programs you don't really need to do. And if they're shared, you can just skip, or if you don't want to delete them, you can just skip, because right now I'm using these. So like, see, I have Skype open because like, yeah. Okay, the next thing you want to do is you want to type in run again, and this time you want to type in prefetch. And prefetch is basically the same thing, except it just has files, but since I just did this, I don't have a lot, so I'm just gonna delete this. Okay, you want to make sure that you empty your recycle bin, because even when you delete them, they'll still be in here. Like, everything you have deleted will still be in here. And if you really want to delete them, you just click empty your recycle bin and everything will go away. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is that you want to get CCleaner. It's this great program I have, and you can download this from the link in the description. What it does, it cleans everything in your system, like such as like cookies history that takes up space, and like your recycle bin, like it empties it, and it has all dump files. And yeah, you can uninstall stuff here in the tools. You can scan this for registry stuff. So yeah, you want to do is just click run cleaner and it will run this whole thing. If this is your first time getting CCleaner, then it will take a long time, like a really long time. Like when it's done, it should say like cleaned up like gigabytes instead of megabytes. But since I've done this already, it was gonna say megabytes. So I'm just gonna skip to the end. So yeah, as you can see, it removed 348 megabytes, which is like a lot. But since if it's the first time you're doing that, you get gigabytes, maybe 1 gigabyte or 2 gigabytes. Doesn't really matter. And yeah, okay. The other thing that I want to show you is Advanced System Care 7. It's basically the same thing as CCleaner, except like it probably does more than just cleaning. As you can see, can remove like malware, and it can clean registry, security, everything. So you have the tool package, but it takes more longer. So I would suggest, if this is your first time, I suggest using this because it cleans everything. And then for daily use, I'd recommend this. So you just basically scan. So yeah, and I think that's about it. But the one thing I want to show you, last thing, is that if you want to get increased gaming performance, you want to go to your search bar and search power options. If you have a desktop, I recommend using the high performance because it really does boost your gaming. But the bad thing is that it does more energy, so it'll come out in your energy bill. So if you have a laptop, I suggest you balance because you might decrease your battery life like really quickly. So I suggest using balance here by laptop. But yeah, desktop I recommend this. Okay, thank you guys for watching my tutorials and see you next time.